Hello and welcome to the realm. Today we are diving into fascinating world of linguistics, and I'm excited to share this knowledge with you. If you are new here, consider subscribing for more educational content. In this video, we'll be exploring the fundamental concept of morphology, free and bound morphemes. Whether you are a language learner, linguist, or simply curious about language, this topic is essential for understanding how words are structured. Let's start with free morphemes. So, free morphemes are morphemes that can stand alone as independent words. They do not need to be attached to other morphemes to convey meaning. And this concept is quite clear from the name free morphemes. The word free, it suggests that these morphemes are free. They are not bound to anything else or other morphemes. They are independent and they can stand alone to convey proper meaning. These morphemes can function as words by themselves, and they often form the roots of more complex words. We can see examples like book, run, happy, and tree. These all morphemes are free, and they can be considered as words. In the word book, there is only one morpheme, which is book itself, and it stands alone as a complete word. Similarly, run can exist as a word without any additional elements. Hope so you understood the concept of free morpheme. Let's move to word bound morpheme. So the title or the word suggests that bound. These are bound to something else. So what is that thing which they are bound to? Is morpheme and other morphemes. So bound morphemes are morphemes that cannot focus on this word, cannot stand alone as independent words. They must be attached to a free morpheme to convey meaning. These morphemes typically serve a grammatical function such as indicating tense, plurality, or possession. They modify the meaning of the free morphemes to which they are attached, and here are a few examples. The suffix s in books and the prefix un in unhappy and the inflectional ending ed in walked. These all are bound morphemes. If we take the word books as example, in this word books, book is a free morpheme and as is bound morpheme that indicates plurality. Okay, then let's take the word walked. The bound morpheme ed in walked indicates past tense, but it cannot stand alone as a word. We can use simply the word walk freely wherever we want, but we cannot use ed as an independent word to convey meaning. But here it is used to indicate past tense. This was all about today's video and lecture. Hope so you got it well. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our channel. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos.